What if I told you there's a browser that's not really a browser anymore? It's a full AI assistant that lives on your desktop. Alibaba just dropped something that makes Chrome look ancient, and it's got over 100 million people already hooked. This isn't just another chatbot add-on. This is the future of browsing, and it's here right now. Okay, so Quark just became something totally different. Like, this isn't your typical browser update where they add a dark mode or fix some bugs. This is a complete transformation from the ground up. And I need to tell you about this because it's honestly kind of wild. So Quark started back in 2016 as just another web browser, nothing special. But now Alibaba took their AI model called Quen, and they didn't just add it as a plugin, they literally built it into the core engine of the browser itself. Think about that for a second. The AI isn't an extra thing you turn on. It's the actual system running the browser. Every single thing you do is now AI powered by default. You're not browsing the old way anymore. You're browsing with an AI that's always watching and always ready to help. And I know that sounds a bit creepy, but just wait until you see what this thing can actually do. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. First thing that's different is this floating ball thing. It's like a widget that sits on your desktop all the time. You don't even need to open a Quark tab to use the AI. It's just there on your screen, waiting for you to ask it something or tell it to do something. This floating ball gives you access to what they call the Quen Smart Suite. And inside that suite, you've got all these tools: screen reader, quick chat bar, sidebar, text selector, screenshot tool, all of it powered by AI, all of it ready to go instantly. Here's where it gets really interesting. You can summarize web pages in seconds. You can read and write and edit content without leaving your browser. You can ask questions and get instant answers. You can multitask without switching between a million tabs. The AI is always there, helping you do everything faster and smarter. And this isn't like those browser extensions you download that kind of work sometimes. This is built into the actual browser engine. It's always on, it's always ready. Now, let me tell you about deep search. This is not your regular Google search, where you type in some words and hope for the best. Deep search combines AI reasoning with web search to actually answer complex questions. It's not just matching keywords, it's thinking through your question and then going out to find the answer and then bringing it back to you in a way that actually makes sense. So if you ask something complicated, the AI doesn't just give you 10 blue links. It actually researches the answer for you and gives you a real response. And this whole thing can behave like a super assistant now. You can do research, you can get summaries, you can draft documents, you can generate content, you can plan things, you can do all these advanced tasks that would normally take you hours, and the AI just handles it. The new chat mode lets you talk to the AI with text or voice. You can switch between search and conversation without even thinking about it. It's seamless, it's fast, it's kind of insane when you actually use it. And if you want to scale your business and learn how to use AI tools like Quark to automate your work and save hundreds of hours, then you need to join my AI Profit Boardroom. This is where I share the exact strategies to get more customers and grow faster with AI automation. The link is in the description. Don't sleep on this. So back to it now. Here's something that blew my mind. This browser already has over 100 million desktop users. Like, that's not a small number. That's massive adoption for something that just got this AI upgrade. And it's part of Alibaba's big push to put their Quen AI models into everything consumers use. They're not just building AI for businesses, they're putting it in your hands right now through everyday tools like a browser. And that's a really smart move because most people aren't going to go download some AI tool and figure out how to use it. But if it's built into your browser that you already use every day, then you're going to use it without even thinking about it. So let's talk about real use cases here, because this sounds cool, but what can you actually do with it? If you're a student or a researcher, this thing is a dream. You can gather data from multiple sources. You can summarize articles in seconds. You can draft outlines for papers. You can organize all your research without switching between apps. Everything happens right there in the browser. If you're reading news or long articles, you can just hit summarize and boom, you've got the key points in like 10 seconds. No more reading 3,000 word articles when you just need the main idea. For productivity, this is huge. You can summarize documents. You can get quick info without digging through search results. You can save tons of time every single day. And for creative work, it's perfect. You need to brainstorm ideas. You need help writing something. You need to plan a project. The AI is right there, ready to help you think through it. You don't have to open ChatGPT in another tab. You don't have to copy and paste things back and forth. It's all built in. Now, here's why this matters in 2025. Because right now, if you want AI in Chrome, you add Gemini as an extension. If you use Edge, you get Copilot, but it's kind of bolted on. With Quark, the AI is the actual engine. It's not an add-on. It's not a plugin. It's the core of how the browser works. That's a massive difference. And with 100 million users and Alibaba's full backing, this could actually shift what we expect from browsers. Like maybe in a year, every browser will have AI built in by default because Quark proved it works. But let's be real for a second. There are some things you need to watch out for. Privacy is a big one. If the AI is always on and always watching what you do, then where is that data going? Is it being sent to Alibaba servers? Is it being used to train their models? Is it being stored somewhere? We don't really know the full answer to that yet. And that's something you should think about before you go all in on this browser. Also, Quark is mainly a Chinese product. So there might be language issues if you're not in China. There might be regional limitations. It might not work as well globally as it does in their home market. We just don't know yet because it's so new. And then there's performance. If you have AI running all the time in the background that's going to use more memory, it might slow things down. It might drain your battery faster. These are real trade-offs you have to think about. And here's another thing. If you rely on AI for everything, you might get lazy. Like if the AI is always there to summarize articles for you, are you even reading anymore? If it's always answering questions for you, are you even learning? There's a risk that we become too dependent on these tools and we stop thinking for ourselves. I'm not saying don't use it. I'm just saying be aware of that risk. So, should you actually try Quark? Here's my take. If you're a researcher, this is probably worth checking out. If you're a student and you need to process tons of information fast, this could save you hours. If you're a power user who loves productivity tools, this is right up your alley. If you multitask a lot and you're always switching between tabs and apps, this could make your life way easier. But if you're worried about privacy, or if you're outside China and you're not sure if it'll work well, then maybe wait and see what other people say first. The pros are obvious. You get AI built into everything you do. You save time, you work faster, you can do complex research without leaving your browser. The cons are privacy concerns, possible regional issues, and the fact that we don't know how this affects performance long term. So try it if you want, but go in with your eyes open. Here's the thing though, Quark just took a massive leap. They went from being a basic browser to being an AI assistant that happens to browse the web. And that's a big deal. This might actually be how we all browse by 2026. Like this could become the new normal. And if you want to stay ahead of this stuff, then you need to be paying attention now. If you want to learn exactly how to use AI browsers like Quark to grow your business and automate everything, then join my AI Profit Boardroom. This is where I teach you how to scale with AI, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with automation. The strategies I share in there are the same ones I use to run my 7-figure agency. You'll learn how to use tools like Quark and other AI platforms to completely transform how you work. The link is in the description. This is the best place to level up your AI game, and I'll see you inside. Make sure you drop a comment below and let me know what you think about Quark. Would you actually use this? Are you worried about privacy? Or do you think this is the future? Julian reads every single comment, so let him know what's on your mind. And if you want me to review other browsers or AI tools, drop those suggestions too. I'll catch you in the next one.